Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test for class 6. Here, most important type 10 numericals are solved. You can make use of it. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. First question. How many natural numbers below 50 are common multiples of 2 and 3? Options 6, 8, 10 and 4. Now, to find out the common multiples, let us read the tables of 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 6 we got the first common multiple. 6 is the first common multiple. Now, let us divide 50 by 6 and 6 8s are 48. So, 8 is the correct option. B is the correct answer. Question number 2. What is the area of a rectangle whose breadth is 6 meters and its length is double to its breadth? Options 72 meter square, 36 meter square, 24 meter square and 72 meter cube. Now, we know the formula for area. Area is the product of length and breadth. So, breadth given here is 6 meters. And so the length will be double of it. Length will be double of it. So double means 2 multiplied by 6. So area is length into breadth. So breadth is 6 and length is 12 meters. And 6 12s are 72. So it is 72 meters square. So right answer is A 72 meters square. Question number 3. A person sells 40 books for rupees 2500 and gets a profit of rupees 260. What is the cost price of all the books? Option 3000, 3240, 3140 and 2240. And we know the formula for cost price. We can get the cost price by subtracting profit from selling price. Selling price negative profit. So selling price is 2500 and the profit is rupees 260. By subtracting we get 2240. So right answer is option D, rupees 2240. Fourth question. The value of 20 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 0 added to 104 is options 104, 96,000, 9,600 and 960. Now, number 20 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 0. The number is multiplied by 0. This much whole thing becomes 0 added to 104. So, 104. Option A is the right answer. Question number 5. If a bus starts from a point A for another point B, which is 150 km away from point A at a speed of 50 km per hour at 6:15 am, it reaches the destination B at options 9 am, 9:15 am, 10:15 am and 10 am. Here, total distance travelled by the bus must be divided by the speed of the bus. Distance is 150 km and the speed of the bus is 50. So we get 3. The bus reaches point B after 3 hours. So it starts at 6:15 am and it takes 3 hours to reach. So it is added to it. So 9:15 am. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 6. A person earns rupees 5,200 per month and saves 10% of it. How much does he save? Options rupees 52, rupees 5,200, rupees 10 and rupees 520. And the person earns rupees 5200 and he saves 10% of it. So for 100 rupees he saves 10%, 10 rupees, and for 5200 how much he saves? So for 100 he saves 10 rupees and 5200 how much? So it is 520. Option D is the right answer. Question number 7. How many 1/6 together make 29 1 by 3? Options 176, 276, 166 and 174. And to find out how many 1/6 make 29 1 by 3, we must divide 29 1 by 3 by 1 by 6. So first we simplify this fraction. So it is 87 and 1 is added to it, we get 88, and that fraction becomes 88 over 3. This is divided by 1 by 6 and we change the division sign into multiplication sign. 88 over 3 multiplied by 6 by 1. So it is 2 8s are 60 and it becomes 176. So correct option is A, 176. Question number 8. A purse was sold at 15% gain for rupees 1500. What is the cost price of the purse? Options rupees 1250, 1000, 1304 and 1204. Here we need a formula. The formula which relates the gain, selling price and the cost price is selling price is equal to cost price multiplied by 1 added to gain over 100. So we substitute the values. Selling price is 1500 and cost price we must find out, and it is multiplied by 1 plus the gain is 15%. Okay, next 1500 is equal to cost price multiplied by 1 plus 15 by 100 becomes 0.15. So 1500 is equal to cost price multiplied by 1 plus 0.15 becomes 1.15. Now we calculate the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price is 1500 over 1.15. Now to remove the two decimal points in the denominator, we must add two zeros to the numerator and denominator becomes 115. On simplification, it gives 1304.35, that is approximately equal to option C, 1304. Question number 9. What is the simple interest on rupees 48,000 for 10 years at the rate of 15% per annum? Options rupees 7,200, rupees 720, rupees 72,000 and rupees 72. Here we need a formula for simple interest. So simple interest is equal to PTR over 100. So P is the principal amount, T is the time, 10 years, and R is the rate of interest, 15%. So 48,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 15 over 100. On simplification, we get 72,000. So correct option is C, rupees 72,000. Last question, 10th question. What is the volume of the box whose length is 5 meters, breadth 4 meters and height is 3 meters? Options: 60 meters square, 60 cubic meter, 60 meters, 600 cubic meters. And we know the formula for the volume. Volume is the product of length, breadth and height. Length is 5 meters, breadth 4 meters and height is 3 meters. We multiply all of this. 5 meters multiplied by 4 meters multiplied by 3 meters. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 60 cubic meter. So right answer will be second one, B, 60 cubic meter. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notifications. Thank you.